Hello guys, Eddelmar Jr. once again, your Revit operator. In this video, we modeling this moon-shaped building like this. Okay, before we jump to the tutorial, I would like to say thank you to all of you. Okay, and if you are new in this channel, if you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to like, share, or especially subscribe, so it's helped me out a lot. Okay, so here I am in Revit. In this project, I will use this architectural template. Okay, and first thing we will do is to set the units. In this project, I use these meters. Okay, and I just simply command RP, okay, for our reference plane. And 2. Okay. And now we go to south elevation. I just simply set this into 4. Okay, this is our typical height of our floor. And now we adjust this one, okay, because this is the big one. Okay, so this, adjust it again. Adjust it that. Okay, and pick this, create similar, pick and set it into 4 meters. So okay, it's enough this 17 floors for this project. Okay, and after that I just simply command DL, okay, so and make a circle like this. Okay, so this is our shape. Okay, and command SL, pick this, and I think up to in this, okay, let's say here, and delete this one. And now we start massing to the shape of the building. So massing inside, model in place, okay, mass 1, okay, and pick and name reference plane 1, okay, and pick this. Okay, so now we, next thing we will do is go to 3D. So here I am in the 3D. Go to set, pick this, and circle like this. Pick this and set it to 4. Pick this to solid form or create form, solid form. And now we start adding the profile of this shape. So to do that one, just simply pick this, okay, okay, pick this and add profile. So I think, oops, pick this, add profile. Okay, so 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 in this place, okay, and 1 more in this corner. So okay, so if you cannot see the profile that we added in the shape, you just simply hit tab so you can see. Okay, and after that, go there and adjust it. Let's say here 5.5. Okay, and let's say here 7. Okay, and this one 9. Okay, and hit tab 9, or this one at least 8. So it's better. Okay, so, and go here, hit tab, okay, and pick this, adjust it, this one into 5.5, and here is 4.5. So now we have a shape now like this. Okay, so hit tab, let's say here 11, and 9. Okay, so yes, it's better. And here we adjust it here. Here is 6 and here is 5. So it's precise. Just hide the ceiling because we don't need it. Okay, and we will see there is a shape like this. We got the shape like this. So go to 3D, okay, and pick this one. Okay, so you cannot adjust it. Don't worry. Pick this. Go to dissolve. Okay, erase this one or double click. We can, okay. It's better to erase. Delete these two and make again circle here. So I think let's say 0.2. Okay, and here also set, pick this one and circle and 0.2. Okay, so now we have a shape like this. So you just simply window it all and have it exactly. So go to south. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's okay. So now window it all. Okay, and finish. Or you can directly finish. Pick this mask floor. Pick this one and Control Shift 17. Release your Shift and Control. Pick this and hit OK. Oops. Okay, now we go to 3D and we have a shape like this. So we get the thickness of these floors. Okay, so we go to massing inside floor. Okay, and just simply window it and create floor. Okay, the thickness is maybe I think that is 3.3, but even you cannot adjust, no problem. The most important here is to get the shape rig. Okay, set it into file, wireframe, and after that we need to rig or this one we need to cut. Okay, as per in this drawing or reference. Okay, so to do that one, double click this one. Okay, and make rectangle here like this. Okay, and pick this one. Okay, pick this and adjust it like this. Okay, because almost we got like this. And after that, go to 3D. Okay, pick this, create form, solid form, and pick here, move, adjust it like this, and go here, go to void form, apply, and hit finish. So now we have a shape now like this. So for example, pick this, okay, and or pick one here, except this, okay, and let's say we make material, any material. Okay, let's say leverage, let's say glass. Okay, and hit finish. So if we will see in 3D realistic, we got the shape of this image. Almost we got. Okay, but that is the procedure how to create the moon shape Okay, so we can go to family also. Okay, new, if we want to make like a panel here. Okay, we can go to new, okay, family, and we can do it. Okay, but for now in this tutorial, it's up to here only. The most important thing is how to create the moon shape using Revit. So now we already got the shape of that image. So if you want, you can make it glass panel for this one, to do that one. Okay, pick this and go to massing inside curtain system. Okay, pick this one, these two, and create system. So it look like this. So to show it clearly, this one, just simply command VG, and hide the mask, apply, close, okay, and pick this one, and you have already like this. So thank you to all of you once again, and I hope that you are enjoy to view my tutorial, and please don't forget to like and share. It's helped me out a lot. Okay, so I hope that my tutorial to make shape building like this is clear to every one of you who's watching this tutorial. And if you have some suggestion, you can leave a comment in the description of this video. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.